Hey there, and welcome back to the ISC Safety Channel. Today, we're talking about something every single vehicle on the road should have: a proper emergency kit. You never know when you might break down or get stuck, and having the right supplies can make a huge difference. First up, you need a set of reflective warning triangles. You can't just rely on your hazard lights, especially at night or on a busy highway. These triangles are designed to be highly visible and warn other drivers that there's a problem ahead. A good kit should also have a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, jumper cables, and a small tool set. It's also smart to have a tire pressure gauge and a can of Fix-A-Flat. You'll be amazed at how many little problems you can solve yourself with these basic tools. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Make sure you have a kit in your car at all times. If you want to grab a complete kit that has everything you need, we have a link to a great one from Amazon right in the description below. And if you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more safety advice. If you're a fleet manager or business owner, visit our website to learn more about DOT regulations and driving safety. Our team is ready to help you and your fleet stay safe and compliant. Stay safe out there.